Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul Tennis. So today we are going to talk about this is the Ravi coach. We are going to talk about the volley, the fundamentals of the volley, because we are going to talk about the basic one, what is the volley, because for the kids, before I already did the video for the advanced level, but this one is for the bigger, lot of kids they are asking me to make a basic of the kids and parents. They are asking me about the basic of the how to hit the volley and how to improve the volley. So I said, okay, we can make a video so everybody can be benefited for that. So now I'm going to talk about the video volley. So volley is a very important stroke. Volley is a very important stroke in tennis, because nowadays people are playing from the baseline only, so people are ignoring and neglecting volley stroke. But volley is, you can, when you play match, and if you sometimes you come to the net, and then you will get a very easy point with the volley. So this point, when you come to the net and get the point for the volley, your opponent will be little bit disappointed because they are not coming to the volley. So this is another advantage for the kids. But now the kids are not doing. So I'm trying to, you please play volley, and so if you have chance, out of the 10 ball, out of 10 points, 1 point in the volley. So you will get the habituated to play net, because the people are scared. All the kids are, what I have seen that 80 to 90% kids, they are not coming to the volley. And when they miss one volley, they don't come to the net. So I always recommend play as much volley you can in the match. So anyway, so first we are going to talk about the volley. So first thing I want to, for the basic one, I just want to show this is my palm. Okay, so if I will catch any ball, how do I catch? So if the ball, you can see that I'm catching the ball like this. I'm not catching the ball like this, or I'm not catching the ball like this. So if ball is coming to me, you can see that when ball comes, I'm my left foot forward, I'm catching the ball. So sometime in the beginning, we can catch the ball like this. The ball is coming and we can catch, we can keep, again ready position, split step and catch, and then hit this one and again catch and this. So what I'm doing, when I'm catching, but I'm not going forward. Okay, I'm catching and holding. The same thing I'm just trying to tell you, that this is the first I will tell you the grip. I already explained about the service and in the slice also the continental grip. So in the volley we are using the continental grip. So this is the 1, 2 and 3. This is my mark here. So I'm going to touch 1 here, down, and upper part, the behind my gender noddle, I'm putting 2. So this is the continental hammer universal grip. There are a lot of names about this grip. So this grip I'm holding. So now when the ball is coming, the first thing is ready position. When I'm ready position, I'm always be like the forehand. I have to be down like this. So I'm on the toe, my toe to toe, heel to heel. What I said already, toe to toe, heel to heel. I'm ready position. My elbow is far from my body. My grip is here. My head will be more higher than the grip, like shoulder height. I will keep, and then my left hand will be holding this racket. So this one is the important. Okay. Then after that, this is the ready position. But when ball will come, then in the forehand we turn like this, uniturn. Here we are turning half. We are not going to turn full. So this is the difference between forehand uniturn and the volley. So in the volley we are ready position. When ball comes, split step. When opponent will hit the ball, that time we have to take a split step. So we are in the move. So we know that ball is coming in the forehand. Then we turn here like this, and then ball will come, and then we will touch the ball. So what is the basic of that one? In the basic is the way we are catching the ball, the same way. So when I'm holding the racket, so this is now not racket. This is my hand, this is racket. But this is my extension of my hand. So it is all my hand. So when we hold the racket, we feel that this is my longer hand. You don't think that hand is different, racket is different. When we hold the racket, means your hand is extended and you don't have any finger. Am I clear? That when I will hold this, here I am having the, can you pass the ball? Here my palm is here, and then I have the finger, and I'm trying to catch the ball. But when I'm holding the racket, my hand is extended, but I'm losing my finger. Okay, I'm losing my finger. So what is happening now? So when I'm turned and I'm trying to catch the ball, you can see my word. Okay, I turn, I'm trying to catching the ball, but I'm not hitting the ball. I'm catching the ball, but I don't have the finger. Then what happened? The ball will touch and it will go, isn't it? Okay, this is the basic. I'm just trying to clear the concept about the volley. So this is the basic thing. First we try to understand we are going to catch the ball. So this is the base thing. So now I have to catch the ball. So what to do now? So first, when we start to practice, the important thing that I always say that the biomechanics of the learning tennis, or any tennis, the first biomechanics, that one is the ABC, is the agility, balance and coordination. So in this volley, we need the balance also, we need the agility also to move to quick direction change. What is the agility? Agility means the quick direction change and the movement, okay? And then balance is what I said, that it stands like this, nicely, little bit more forward. So you are on the toe, not on heel. So this is the balance. So good balance for the momentum, okay? So agility also finished, now balance is finished. The next is the coordination. So in the coordination means hand-eye coordination. So in the hand-eye coordination, when you do volley, we try to learn more coordination like this, and then bouncing here, then both sides we do, and then after that we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can see that, okay? So this one also you need to control. So my hand and my eye coordination is good. So this is the very important. So for that, when we learn, you can see that. So we can do this type of coordination we can do. We can catching the ball. That thing you need to improve to learn volley also, because it is going to help to the volley. So now that one we are going to talk about when we do the kids drill about the agility and coordination. That time we will show all the drills, how to develop the coordination. But now we are going to talk now this. So we hold the racket in the continental, but when the beginner, you can hold little bit eastern also is okay, because in the beginning time. But I don't want to say that one, because I'm the coach. I will try to more strict about the continental grip. So now you can see that when the continental, we can try to bouncing like this slowly. You can put the kids here just over the net. You can bounce, and then you can try catch and bounce, then bounce, catch, tum mat karo, catch and bounce. You try to catch it and then bounce it. You try. So what was the concept? Then you can catch the ball. Okay, can you come here? This time, I'm catching the ball. I'm catching here and then I'm moving. I'm catching the ball and I'm hitting. I'm catching the ball and hitting. I'm catching the ball and hitting. I'm catching the ball and hitting. So now you understand. So this one, the same thing you can do the backhand also. Catch and hit. Catch and hit. Okay, so you understand this one. So this is the basic one, we can do it. Next lesson we are going to talk about the advanced one, how we can do it and all this. But just okay. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope it is going to help you. And please keep watching our channels and subscribe this channel, and please put the button, bell button, so you can get our video very quickly. We are going to make this type of video, and this is the video number 1 for the basic one. Then we already made the advanced one, but after that we are going to make the intermediate one. Then how to improve the volley and movement and the approach shot, and then like this, so many things in the doubles, how to use our volley technique in the doubles or singles. So that all the things we are going to come out very fast. So thank you very much and keep watching. Bye bye.